No, because I spoke via email to Mr. Rick, and I told him the situation. I told him what we had discussed, and he said that he'll have to get a fundraiser put together. And I told him what we had talked about, and it just wasn't adding up to me in my head. So I didn't know what the next step was. That's why I wanted to talk to you.
The next step is very simple. That we are creating a fund, okay, and all the 0.5% of the revenue of the gold sales from everywhere, okay, whatever gold you are selling, all that money, 0.5% will go to the V.net account, right, which we are creating. Okay, so it's a fund, it's a COVID-19 fund which we are creating, all right? And I'm actually writing a document now that that fund will be managed by me, Mr. Rick, and Guillermo, you know, my partner in HNT World Limited. So we are the fund managers.
Yes.
Right? Now, suppose I'm concluding one deal, you know, in Japan, right? From that deal, about $600,000 will come to the account. All right? From that one transaction, okay, which I'm doing in Japan, right? So that amount will come to V.net account, right? Now, once that all that fund is accumulated over there, it keeps on accumulating, right? So now this fund is very unique.
Yeah.
Okay, we call it as Kardan Hasana Fund or a zero interest loan. Okay, this is what we call for all COVID-19 projects, right? All social entrepreneurship project of building self-sustaining communities. Correct? That's how the fund is going to be utilized. Now, our plan is that all the people, okay, who are not having a good life in USA, all right, who are not secure, who are living below poverty line, whose life is in danger, okay, all the drug addicts, all the homeless, okay, which we find in every city of United States, all of those people can come and live in our Koto community, 200 home Koto community, which we are building in all the farms of USA and Pakistan also. Okay, and the one other project, like I mentioned, which we are doing in Pakistan is the, you know, the dump sites. All the municipal waste and all kinds of waste in every country is being dumped, either in the ocean or in the dump sites, right? So we also have a technology to convert that waste into value. That's what the beauty of our technology is, right? So now, in order to build those communities, it's a self-sustaining community again, okay? So this fund will be allocated. Now, for instance, in USA, we have a site available in Texas and in Canada, which Heidi has, okay? They have two sites, one in USA, one in Texas, and one in Saskatchewan, Canada, all right? So those sites are there. Now, we will be building our Wheel of Life Farm School campus in those sites, utilizing our technologies, which is 5G proof, which is disaster proof, you know, all that technology is available to us. So we will allocate the fund for that project, which that project will return back to V.net account. So that fund never gets depleted, all right? So each like Heidi has presented the feasibility, right? So based on the feasibility of Heidi, we will allocate that fund, okay, to Texas project. She only needs $150,000 to start the process, which is good. The feasibility is there. Okay, and that project has to return that money back again. After the project is built and the project is self-sustaining, it is started to make money. Okay, so this is the uniqueness about the fund, that it will never be depleted. It will be available to help everybody, all the TQLMA club members, all the V.net projects which we are doing, but this fund assists them to build the self-sustaining communities, to help COVID-19 patients, because it is known as a COVID-19 fund. Okay, COVID-19 fund means that all the people who are in trouble, because of COVID-19, we are helping them out. All right, so that's a dedicated fund which we are creating from. How the fund is being created? 0.5% of the gold sales revenue. Okay, the revenue of the gold. So will automatically go over there. Now, for instance, in your case, yeah, I mean, if you say that, okay, I have a plan, my business plan is to enroll 2 billion mothers into our TQLMA club. And I have a plan for that. Okay, and to execute that plan, I need $25,000. Like you said, you need $5,000, right, to execute your plan. I am allocating $25,000 because Alana is going to build the website. We are going to be using online, facilities and everything. So that's why I've kept that budget. The budget simply is to enroll 330 million Americans, okay, and 2 billion mothers into TQLMA club, so that everybody can benefit from it. So your project is, you will give a plan, which me, Rick, and Guillermo is going to approve, and that fund will come to you. Okay, so that's a fund which is the Qardan Hasana. Now, we will make sure that that fund also gets returned, because we are making it self-sustaining, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it. It will be returned.
And
it will be given to you.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah, it will be given to you. So you execute the project and then it will be returned. Okay, so that fund, COVID-19 fund, will not be depleted. It will be available for everybody's help.
Yes, sir. And
it
honestly,
will keep on increasing. Okay, that's a plan.
And then we that's what I'm saying, Mr. Mufat.
That's it.
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you 100%.
So now I'm simply saying is this.
Now look,
I'm simply saying is this.
Yes, sir.
Simple. It's a very simple thing, okay? Because you are putting the money there.
Yeah.
Who is putting the money there?
Yes.
Your family is communicating, and I like your wife's plan, that fine, people will not worry about $2. They will give you $100, donation to build the self-sustaining community. Because they want to live in it.
All we got to do is reach the
different
communities.
No. We are already communicating. Everything is in place.
Sir.
You were asking for an account. I gave you the account. So now all you need to do is to communicate with everybody, enroll them in TQLMA club members, which is free now. Okay, if they donate, whatever amount they want to donate, the membership is free. Okay, so once the membership is free, they are now a member. They filled out the form. They are eligible to buy gold at 2% discount. They can immediately start making money because the membership is free. And then all the members will be involved, like I said, to form a 256 member WhatsApp group. In Telegram group, there are no limit. We can set up a Telegram group. We can set up a WhatsApp group, and all the members who are now part of our team can all communicate and, discuss everything they want to discuss. So those groups will be dedicated.
Yes, sir.
For only TQLMA club members. All right. So you should be forming that group. Okay. You will be the admin. I will be the admin. And like this Zoom meetings is what we will be doing with that bunch of people from each state, from each community, okay, who will be now discussing how to establish this family. And like I said for you immediately that, this Gail, the lady from California who is homeless now because of the fire, okay? And there are 150,000 people in California who are homeless, are immediate, recipient of the funding from us. We will build the first community over there because they need it urgently, right? Because they are homeless. They are away from home. Okay, so that's the whole idea. And the allocation of the fund, which I will approve, Rick will approve, and Guillermo will approve, will be according to the priority of the project. Your project is of high priority. Why? Because elections are coming. Okay, and we want to make sure that 330 million Americans are enrolled and they elect a climate smart leader, whoever that person is.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So that's the whole idea. Okay, because now we will be educating them that how they can really have a say. Because now their life is improved, their quality of the life will be improved. They will have a priority of living in these communities. Nobody will give you a home for $100, nobody. But if you donate $100 and become a TQL Club member, then you are eligible to live in those communities. And then
yes,
pay.
Sir.
Of course, you pay when you are earning. When you are earning, definitely you will pay. You will own the home.
Yes, sir.
You will be paying eventually because you are working towards it now. Right?
Yes, sir.
So that's the whole plan.
Yes, sir.
It's all help with dignity. We are not begging or asking from anybody. Okay, give us and help us. We can help ourselves. And we can help all those people who doesn't have 2 hands and legs to work with. Okay. There are people out there, okay, who cannot work due to whatever reason, right? So there's no issue there. We will also give them a delightful life. Okay. So they can enjoy their life. That's how the whole plan is.
Okay.
That's it. And I think there is no confusion there. And I think you should be delighting Rick. Instead of asking him for money, you said, okay, the money is already trickling in your account, That's our money, which we have created. Okay. And then this is my business plan of enrolling everybody. And Heidi will definitely support you because I have formed a team, right? I've informed everybody. And in our meeting with Rick also, that 3 of us, okay, 4 of us basically, you, me, Heidi, and Alana. We are all working towards this project of enrolling 2 billion mothers and 330 million Americans into our program, right? And Heidi mentioned one thing, that Heidi has a plan, a magic wand, okay? She has a magic wand to enroll 8 billion peoples because the population is increasing, right? So she has a magic wand to do that. We will use that. And that magic wand is what? Music. Okay. She's a musician. Yep. And with her music, she has a plan of enrolling everybody with agility. That's it. It's magic. You create the magic. Yep. Okay. And that's all. This is all it is all about. And that magic is what we are after. Okay. We are not doing normal things. We are doing out of the ordinary things. Okay. Things which can be done from stars, not from earth. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's what is happening. So she will be engaged. She will be all, and that's the reason I have already allocated. I made a decision of allocating $150,000 for the Texas project. Okay. And now, like I said, all those people, Patrick, John Holder, that guy Cheryl, the potential candidate, one of the candidate for president, they are all, they were all interested in talking to me. And I said, well, you have lost the opportunity of leading the project. Now you have to talk to Mr. Panda.
Yes, sir.
And sell your proposal to him. And if he likes it, if he has to approve it, approve your proposal.
Yes, sir.
And you lost that opportunity of leading the show because you didn't perform.
Yes, sir.
So now, if you want to talk to anybody, talk to Mr. Panda. He is representing us in USA. Okay, regarding our SAMS TQLMA global, project of building enrolling all the people, in our, TQLMA club, and then, educating them in Wheel of Life Farm School, and then making sure that, they cast their vote. And this time around, 100% of the people in United States of America will cast their votes. We make sure that they do. We will facilitate that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, through mail-in ballots or through whatever methods, but they will cast the vote, which means that we will be able to elect or select a climate smart leader.
Yes, sir.
It's a huge power, okay? And I don't see that as a problem because Heidi has a magic wand of enrolling 7 billion people. So 330 million people living in her territory should be a piece of cake for her.
Yes, sir. And honestly,
should not be a problem at
honestly,
all, right?
Not at all.
Right? So I think that is the plan.
No.
Okay, don't worry about Rick. Rick, myself, and it's a logistic thing. Rick has a signatory, Rick as the founder, he's a very busy person. Okay, so I utilize him whenever there is a need for his help. Okay, so he will help us out. And basically the decision maker is myself, okay? I, along with Rick and Mr. Guillermo, decides how the fund will be allocated, for what projects. Okay, and that's it. That's how it's going to happen.
Sure.
So I think you should not be wasting any time now. You're independent. There are 3 people in your home. Okay, I don't know all 7 of them because I met 3. I met you, your wife, and your son. All right. So these 3 individuals, and maybe all 7 of them, can really go out in their network and request a $1 or $2 donation at least from each American, which everybody has. And everybody in America wants to live in a disaster-proof home. Currently, White House is not disaster-proof. Okay? White House is not disaster-proof. Okay? It can be destroyed. So we are actually forming disaster-proof homes which can float. I'm sure White House cannot float if a flood comes in Washington, D.C. Okay?
Yeah.
So that's what we are creating. All right? So that's a whole plan.
Sure.
That's it.
Yep.
So I think you have got everything in place. You should move forward. And like I said, your first target was to delight Heidi by really transforming this message, into a musical.
Yeah, that's done.
That's it. To start, I mean, everything is in, you have got everything you needed, right? You've got an account now, you've got all the data, you've got the whole plan. I've shared all the details about our technology and everything. It's 100% American technology and Australian technology, basically, because, one of our inventor is from Australia. So basically, I think everything is in place now.
Yep.
And start to build this situation, that's it.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. The only thing I wanted to say, Mr. Mafato, is, and the only reason why I was concerned was with that funding, I can go on the road tomorrow. I can literally pack up my whole team. We can begin hitting every community across the 50 states.
This is what I'm saying.
Massive donations.
No, this is what I'm saying. Okay, the first amount of money which should go into that account is how much? 7 people into $2, $14 membership, contribution or whatever contribution you want to make should go into that account, V.net account.
Okay.
Okay. So Rick should be delighted. Okay. This is the contribution we have made. And now all other people Because, you know, I mean, a WhatsApp group and social media, Zoom meetings, it doesn't cost you anything, right? You are able to communicate with me, so you can communicate with everyone in United States. That doesn't require funding, right? Start communicating. Start giving the message out to everybody, okay? In your network.
Okay.
So that's the way of really creating $5,000 for yourself. So once that money is in the V.net account, now it can be pulled out to design any event you want to design. Okay. So we should not be really wasting any single moment waiting
Sure.
that the fund should go into that account and then it should come to you.
Okay.
Okay. That's a plan. Make it 100% self-sustaining. Your family should become 100% self-sustaining. And when we write your case study, we will say that, okay, Mr. Panda and his family started with $0. And today, after 53 days, they are a millionaire. They made $1 million PGC, okay, as a family by really working with our group, Sam Steekwelma Global. That's a $1 trillion company. Okay, and you have a benefit of really utilizing our platform. So you're not alone, right?
Okay.
That's what the whole plan is. So please now, have you actually elevated your position? You know, you are more powerful than Mr. Cheryl, John Holder, and Patrick, who probably has more money than you, what you have now. Okay. They are the owner of their own companies. They are, you know, they are, you know, one of them is a Navy person, more qualified. So Patrick is more qualified. John Holder is a chartered accountant, and Cheryl is a big shot, a presidential candidate. Okay. And now they have to listen to you, right? If they want to work with us, or if they want to get elected, or if they want to move forward with their plans. Okay, they want millions and billions, okay, to execute their plan. But they have to now work with us in order to get their millions and billions they want, really, you know. So that is the whole thing. You know, you should really be sort of considering yourself as a very VVVVIP person in North America. Because these high profile people have to listen to you. I have elevated you to that position. Why? Why I did that? Because Heidi and Alana doesn't have that entrepreneurial spirit which you have. But I see that entrepreneurship in you.
Yes, sir.
Right? So that's it. Practice it. Practice it.
Yes,
use
sir.
it to your full advantage. Okay? And always keep this in your mind.
Yes, sir.
Always keep these simple words in your mind that from this point onwards, I am going to be giving. I'm not going to be asking. Okay? When you become a giver, everybody loves you.
Yes, sir.
Simple. Because you are giving them better life. You are giving them education. You are giving them climate smart food. You are giving them disaster proof home. You are giving everything to them, what they need, which Mr. Trump or Mr. Biden cannot even dream about giving them. I'm serious. They cannot even dream about giving, you know, the homeless person the total quality life in America.
Yes, sir.
If they have dreamt it, they would have done it. But they are not even capable of dreaming about it. Okay, so we have to show them how things gets done. All right?
Yes,
if you have the good intention, help comes from everywhere. Not from people, because people need your help. Help from above. help from the universe comes to you.
Yes, sir.
That's a plan. All right.
Yes, sir.
So now I think we have got another session, a very important and beautiful session. And I just want to summarize in this particular session, the plan we have for Pakistan. Okay. I tell you what it is in Pakistan. Pakistan project is a $12 billion project. How much?
$12 billion.
$12 billion project. That money will be transferred from V.net account into Pakistan as a foreign direct investment, as a support. Okay. To build Wheel of Life Farm School on 472 dump sites, municipal dump sites. Okay. They are filled with filth. Nobody lives there. Okay. Only you'll see dogs and cats, stray dogs and cats, and people who doesn't have anything to eat. Those children who are really sort of, you know, who doesn't have parents, who just wants to survive, and you'll find them over there. That's what is happening in Pakistan also, in those dump sites, okay? And I'm sure you will find the same thing in USA also. Go to those dump sites, okay? Remote areas. Nobody will go there. But you will find those people there. Okay? So in those dump sites, we are building Wheel of Life Farm School. Okay? And 40 university campuses. Climate smart university campuses, industrial park campuses, converting the waste to value. Because you need the technology to do that, right? You need equipment to do that. You need machinery to do it. And that's what the $12 billion amount is for. Okay. So these facilities will be built. And I can tell you this, that in 53 months, okay, even earlier than that, that money will be returned back. Will be coming back to V.net account again for other countries to work in the same way. Okay, so my target is to how much? To set up, to populate V.net COVID-19 fund with $12 billion. You know how I came up with? I want to exceed that. You see how I came up with that? Because Heidi mentioned that she can enroll 8 billion people, okay, all the people who are getting born now also, okay, into TQ Elma Club with $2. So how much is the amount now? 8 multiplied by 2 is $16 billion.
16. Yep.
$4 billion is available with you to start building the same thing in, USA in parallel. Okay, a lot of money. $4 billion is not a small amount.
Not at all.
That's a plan. You see, that's how the magic happens. Why? Because V.net and the global group, which we have, V.net combined with TQ Elma, SAM's TQ Elma Global, becomes a formidable global force of positive, right-minded people, capable people. Okay, everyone is capable. Musicians, all kinds of disciplines are there. Okay, blockchain technologies, IT people, you name it, and they are there. Because all the scientists, all engineers, all professors, we are financing them to develop the technology. You see, everybody is working for us. And they would love to work for us rather than, Mr. Trump. Because Mr. Trump is not treating them well. He doesn't respect science. He doesn't like professors. He doesn't like doctors. He doesn't like anybody who says anything against him. Okay? So that's it. And the challenge is huge, okay? You definitely need to enroll 330 million people in TQ Elma Club and educate them to really have any chance against beating Mr. Trump. He's a very powerful man. All right? Don't underestimate him. Okay? A person with $1 trillion in his pocket is a very powerful person. He can squash 330 million people if he wants to. That's what he's trying to do. Okay? Utilizing the American army and forces and everybody to squash the people who speaks against him. He's capable of doing it. All right? So it's a very serious matter, really, to work on this project to make sure that, we select the right leader. Or we re-engineer Mr. Trump if he becomes a president again. It's very easy to do that, okay? It's very easy to re-engineer Mr. Trump because we can simply make him a trillionaire and we will run the government and he will enjoy his life. That's it. It's very simple, okay? Because currently what he's saying, he is the only person who can change America. He's the only single person who is going to rule America, right? So if he becomes a trillionaire and enjoys his life on moon or wherever, then since we have provided him $1 trillion, okay, to enjoy his life, the government is with us. You see, that's a plan. So I am actually looking at all kinds of, scenarios, and I want to help all the world leaders to make sure that all the 7 billion people now, after COVID-19, enjoys a good life. And that's what our target is, okay? So our role is United Nations. Why? Because we are implementing the development, goals, United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. All our campuses, all the things which we are doing, we are implementing those goals. So basically, we are United Nations. We are helping United Nations, okay, do the job. So, case closed, right? So that's a plan. We will share this recording with everybody, okay? And the target for your typical, hardworking, honest Black family, okay, oppressed family in USA, you have to create a case study of transforming yourself into a millionaire in 53 days. Because it is urgent, even before that. Okay, and I've given you the whole plan how to do it. Agreed? Any more questions? Just move forward, okay? Everything is with you. I'm not giving anybody any authority in USA to represent Sam's TQ Elma Global. You are operating the for-profit business for our company. Okay, do it. Show your magic. Okay, with this we close and we will communicate this message. I will again request you to transform this message into, it's a long message now, but let's transform this message into a 5 to 7 minute musical, okay, to delight the 7 billion residents of our planet enjoy total quality life in 2021. A very aggressive goal, right? Only 3 months are left. September is already here. Okay, October, November, December, 3 months, last quarter. We do everything in our power to make sure that everybody is, COVID-19 is eliminated, controlled, and everyone enjoys a total quality life in 2021. Okay, that's a plan. So all the blessings to you of September and the coming days, and please, if you have any doubts, any questions, I like you because, you come back with agility. If you have any questions, please do that.
Yes, sir.
I'm 7/24 available, okay, if I'm not sleeping. All right.
Yes, sir.
So I'm available and you can ask me any question you have, okay? To move forward,
you so much.
okay? That's the whole idea.
Yes, sir.
We don't want anybody to sort of impede us. We want to move forward. We want to go ahead, and we don't want to waste a single second. Okay, because the task is big. It's a huge task. Okay, I'm focusing only on delighting 230 million people in Pakistan. Your task is to delight 330 million US citizens and all the residents of America, basically. Okay, that's your task.
No problem.
So that's it. Okay, everything is in place. Let's move forward.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So shall we conclude?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
You have a great one, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.